pranking the principal's office.
Oh, don't document. No.
Okay, it's not slaying.
It's not slaying anymore.
No.
It's winning.
Long.
I got you, Quinn. Did you see my rap?
I know.
I know, I was like,
Here's some keys, and I was just like, what?
the kids. Oh, I gotcha.
Decorating my door.
I know, I think they were meant to put a sign up for you as well. To be like,
Oh, nice. That was nice.
anyway,
Merry Christmas to me, I guess.
Christmas.
I think we're gonna do mine tomorrow.
Yeah, so-
Okay, yeah. So I think
Oh. Oh, did they wrap everything under my desk too? Oh, they amazing. Who did this? Really great. Yeah, I this is impressive. I've never been so loved. And
Oh,
I
wow.
do feel that this is all a gift.
They even got this.
The mission, the chairs, the desk.
Except Jesus. They kept Jesus. up
Yeah,
there,
I guess he shouldn't
as
be
it
wrapped
should,
up.
as it should be.
So cool. This is this high school? Is this student council? Is this
Well, I don't know.
it
Maybe.
may have been
You may have to look at the cameras, find out who
yeah.
who was here.
I can't even plug my phone in. Like, I can't